I have a
What are you
sword.
doing?
I would say I have a gun, but I don't have a gun.
I have a sign. I'm gonna mute this music. I'm gonna put music over it.
If you haven't joined Discord server, press the button right here.
Guess what we're doing today? We're playing Horror Mode Chapter 2. It came out like yesterday. I tried playing it, and I kept getting trolled.
Skewer shoot.
Anyways, let's go.
It's spiky. Is a glitch still possible? Yeah, that glitch is still I mean, yeah, it's still working.
What glitch?
Nothing. Yeah. Are you ready? Come on!
Let's go.
Oh my god, it's so spooky! This is not no fucking speedrun, bro. Oh my god, Sadie! No, my god! It's Sadie! No! Hold up. If you actually go back, does actually
wait, is someone actually trying to exit the facility right now?
Shut up,
I
XD!
just got that notification, and I mean, if you can hear me, could you guys come back for the doors you came
XD's
from?
so
I
mean.
could use a little help with something. Yeah. Oh god.
Okay, so we're basically gonna. I'm gonna speed run this part because I get stuck at the maze part. That's all I get stuck at.
Yeah, it's the Hey, where'd you go? I'm gonna punch XD. I'm gonna slice him.
Oh my god, did you actually think there's gonna be a button right next to the exit where you can actually escape?
Ow!
Nah, you're stupid for pressing that. Yeah, well, I hope you really enjoyed this entire room because you're gonna be staying here forever until...
What the heck? Shut up. Hey, Coach Capuchin, come on. Remember that? Remember Coach Capuchin? Remember that, bro?
Yeah, I don't know where you were at.
Your voice sucks!
I know, I haven't done it in a while.
I know. Sally is better. Silly. 5+. I'm sad. I'm depressed, bro. I'm so depressed.
I'm very sad.
Who are you? I am Cube. I'm leaving. I'm leaving, bro. I'm leaving. Oh my god, it's... Oh my god. Hey, you go over here. It's something.
Hey, it's nice to meet you and all, but here's this key card. You gotta take this key
Trying
card.
to riz her up, bro. You trying to riz her up?
The key card, you'll be in danger. So.
Bro, who are you trying to riz
yeah,
her
see
up?
ya.
There ain't no need to fucking
Bro, I
sprint, bro.
hate chasing. My arms always get tired.
Shut up. There's no need to run fast right here, because she's not even spawned. She spawns right here. I think. Yeah, right here. Ah! That's a bit. No, I am. Why are you this fast? Why are you actually?
You're slow.
I'm reading the signs, bro. I was above you. Ah! I forgot about that.
Alright.
This level takes so long. I hate it. You bitch! Fuck you think you're going?
I'm stuck.
You're slow.
Which way are we going?
I'm going through the crevice.
Bro, my dogs are sleeping and they just growl at me. That freaking scared me. I thought something was right behind me.
This is the vent. This is the
We went
magical
the wrong
vent.
way.
Shut up. This. Hey. The fuck over here. Dead end. To me, dead. Yeah. Yeah. I hate this level. It's so weird.
Well, where is it?
Not this way. It's randomized. It could be in like different places.
Bro, I got crap for like this stuff, man.
It's always right here. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna talk about that. It's so annoying. Found it.
There it is.
Now we need to go back.
Oh, this way, right?
The fuck are you going? Where the fuck are you going? That's the light. I don't like that room. Dead end. Dead end.
Right here.
That's a circle. That goes in a circle. What am I doing? Yeah, that's a start. So yeah, let's go over here now. Did I really lose the vent, bro? Back at the dumbass lever.
I thought you knew what it was.
Shut up! I went into a circle. Imagine if you're in nightmare mode for this, bro. Bro, we just went a whole circle. We have to go back. Core sockets? Sockets. Where the fuck are you? Sockets. Coach fucking Capuchin, where are you? Ah, you fucking...
Wait, there, what?
Okay, welcome to the...
I hated that.
Back where we started.
Respawn! Haha.
Shut up. You might as well turn it off. Or not. Alright, hey, stop. Core socket, stop.
What?
Alright, when we get to the crystal, you have to look down because if you look at the entity, you get kicked.
Oh, okay, so it's
So you have to do
exactly like
this.
doors. If you look at the eyes, you
Yeah.
die.
If you look at the eyes, you die,
Okay,
but
I
if
see
you
the
look
light, I
at
see the
this... If you look at this demon, you get insta-kicked.
Do I still have to keep looking down?
And when you get to the lever, you can look up. But look down when you, go back.
This is scary.
So scary.
Are we supposed to go that way?
Come on, but... What? What?
Is the crucifix here?
No. But, we have to look down when you pinch climb up here. We have to look down.
Look down? Again?
Yeah. Just start looking down.
Yeah,
Look
up.
down, look down.
Bro, why am I looking down? I'm literally slightly looking up, but I see nothing.
I wonder why, if you look up, then you get kicked.
Water.
Huh? When you get on this platform, you can look up. Alright, get up here. You can
Oh my
look up.
gosh!
You can look up now.
Oh my gosh, bro, you lagged so hard and teleported in front of me. That scared my...
Come on! Welcome to your unturned redemption. Oh, up. Come on, let's go. Come on. Spooky. Damn, it's ugly.
What the heck is that?
Press it and go back. Alright, come on. Don't go too close, though you will die. I like to watch suffering. I'm just kidding. Parkour. Parkour. Parkour.
Parkour.
Parkour. Hoo, ha, hee, hada, hada, hada. Ah!
Oh shoot.
I broke my neck. Sock it. I broke my neck. Sock it. I broke my neck. It hurts.
Bro,
My neck.
when I was right there, I almost jumped because I didn't see the board.
You're stupid. You're stupid. Alright, this is the last level.
Last level. Dang.
Yep. If you fall into the hole, you die. You just get kicked. You start over. I mean, you have the egg? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Yo, weird. The music was so I have to wait. Yeah, it's real butter.
Nice.
Fuck you, you fucking octopus.
I think that
Oh,
was
hey.
a Kraken, actually. Actually,
Oh,
it's a
fucking
Kraken.
What's over
I
here?
don't give a fuck.
Before I click that, what's over here?
Click it. Click it.
Who are you?
Click it.
I don't know who you are.
Over there.
Congratulations, you have beaten Chapter 2. Turn around and press the unlock button to claim your prize.
Chapter 2 badge.
Touch it. Or you're dead.
To be continued. Chapter 3 leak? Oh my god. Chapter 3.
Chapter 3. Oh my god.
Sick. Alright. How do it out?
I have trust user, I have YouTuber, and I have OG. And you have that too. I have the egg. I have every collectible. I used to have mine.
What?
You know, oh yeah, you have to restart your game. Because that's his mirror. That's his mirror. You're looking through his mirror.
Oh, that's weird.
This way. Yeah, I'm gonna stop recording now.